21 years when I wrote this song. 22 now, but I won't be for long. People ask me when I grow up to be a man, but all the girls I loved at school are already pushing prams. I loved you then as I love you still. I put you on a pedestal, they put you on the pill. Don't feel bad about letting you go, just feel sad about letting you know. Here we go! To me, but that was bloody yesterday. I can't survive on what you said every time you need a friend. I saw 2 shooting stars last night, I wished on them. Want to wish on space on where I wish you'd care. Here we go again!
Looking for New England, are you looking for another girl? I don't want to change the world, I'm not looking for New England, are you looking for another girl?
Are we going to sing a verse for Kirsty MacColl? I think so, yeah. These jeans are full of strange ideas. My mind was set despite the fears. Other things got in the way. I never asked that boy to stay. Once upon a time at home, I sat beside the telephone, waiting for someone to pull me through. And when I lost it didn't ring, I knew it wasn't you. Last chance!
I don't want to change the world, I'm not looking for New England, I'm looking for another girl. I don't want to change the world, I'm not looking for New England, I'm looking for another girl.
Okay, here we go. Looking for another girl. Come on, race you to the end. One more time for your Uncle Bill. Thanks very much. I want to say a big thank you to the South West Trade Union Council for putting on another fabulous toll puddle for us, for all the staff, all the security, all the people backstage who made it wonderful, all you people coming down here. We must bring our toll puddles to an end. I hope we can gather again next year, powerful, more stronger, more focused. And you may be interested to know that in the white tent over there in the corner, the Unison tent, you can probably see it there with the white point. Jeremy Corbyn is there, he will be speaking shortly. I'll be very interested to hear what he has to say once I finish. So if you fancy moving over there and hearing a bit from Jeremy, that's where it will be. Meanwhile, I want to finish off, as we always finish off, with a quick verse of an old song. Maybe I'll dedicate it to Jeremy this year. The people's flag is deepest red, it's shrouded of down martyred dead, and there their limbs grew stiff and cold, their heart's blood died in every mould. So raise the scarlet standard high, beneath its folds we'll live or die. Though cowards flinch